Now you already know there's a special formula for the difference of two squares. If I've got a squared minus b squared, our formula is a minus b times a plus b. This is just something that you learn off by heart. There are two other formulas. There's the difference of two cubes and the sum of two cubes that you should know how to factorize. The difference of two cubes again begins with the a minus b, and then the remainder of it is just a squared plus ab plus b squared. That's meant to be a b squared, by the way. Similarly, a cubed plus b cubed, similar, a little bit different. It begins with a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So in the difference of two cubes, this part is negative and this part is all positive. And the sum of two cubes, this is positive, and the second term here is negative. So we're going to look at a particular example here. Let's say we've got 16x cubed minus 54y cubed. Now the first thing that we always do, as we always do when we're factorizing an expression, is we look for a common factor. And we can see here immediately there's a common factor is 2. So I'm going to take out 2 and find out what the rest is. When we take out the common factor 2, we can see that the remainder that we have... Okay, now that we've taken the factor 2 out, we can see that we're left with 8x cubed minus 27y cubed. And again, we have our immediate suspicion that this is the difference of two cubes. We can see we have an x cubed and then taking away a y cubed. We also know that 8 is a cube and 27 is a cube. So we're going to rewrite this again as the difference of two cubes. Okay, so now we've got this written. Our factor 2 is still here. 8x cubed we know is 2x all cubed. 27y cubed we know is 3y all cubed. So now we have it written as the difference of two cubes. We have something cubed taking away something cubed. And then we can just apply our formula. The formula that we have here, we apply it to this. The result we get is 2 times 2x minus 3y times 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Okay, it's a little bit messy there, but let's just go through it. That is the 2 that we took out, our common factor that we took out immediately. This a minus b, our a is 2x, so there we got 2x minus b minus this 3y. Then in the second term, we have a squared, which is the 2x all squared, which we know is going to be 4x all squared, plus ab, so we're adding 2x times 3y, we're adding 6xy, and then plus b squared at the end. B is 3y, 3y squared gives you 9y squared. So our final result is this huge mess here, 2 bracket 2x minus 3y bracket 4x squared plus 6y plus 9y squared. So a few things to remember. One, the first thing we always do is we take out the common factor, and then we can apply the various rules, the various tricks, the various expressions that we've learned off by heart or that we know how to do.